Okay, so good, good day. This is Wasku Smart from Wasku Smart FX. So, welcome to my third powerful setup, number three. And I already talked about the number one, the number two. I hope you have used it to learn something very useful. Hope you are using it to make money because they are very simple strategies you can use in your forex market doing. So, but for today, soon I bring a very attractive strategies to yours here, and it's something I have been using and I'm using actually. So, and I've already recorded a lot of win on it. So that's why I want to share it here so you can just see. Okay, now, so according to what we want to talk to you about today, we said we want to talk about break up market structure, change of character, and other blocks of fair value gap. So here now you're looking at USD, you're looking at USD CHF. So I drew out this point here on before the market traded inside this 4 hour chart. I've already drew out this point here. I'm looking at this point here. I'm saying market to come to this aspect here to close down this fair value gap. So I was waiting diligently. So when market traded inside this, you see this week traded, it closes it and it takes it out a lot. So but when market traded inside it, what you have to do, this strategy is very simple. First thing you have to do, you have to go on your 4 hours charts. 4 hours, you can see. First thing is go and look at your POI, that's your point of interest, like fair value gap, like other blocks, like vacuum blocks, like breaker block, like mitigation blocks. So just look for your POI, then I'll wait for your POI to occur. So now I put this black line here, so this is my POI for 4 hours chart. I'm expecting market to come to this aspect then and go up. So now I'll now move to my 1 hour chart. So from here now I'll move to my 1 hour chart. So I'll move to my 1 hour chart to label the aspect very well. So this is my 1 hour chart here. This is very strong. Okay, so this is the aspect, this is the line here I'm talking about here. So I just want to show you. Okay, this is here. Okay, hope you can see it here too. So unfortunately too, there's a fair value gap here too, so which means that the market will come down there to close it. So they rhyme with 4 hours. So now I'm waiting for the market to get there. So when the market get there with this red candlestick here, okay, now I'm saying I'm a buyer, but you can't just buy that way. According to our strategies today, we are talking about change of character, fair value gaps, POS. Okay, now what I got here is, okay, from here now I got a break of market structure here, BOX. So which means for this place now I got the POS. So yeah, let me just put it there. So I got the BOS here. Now what I'm going to expect now is that I'm expecting a change of character, right? But that's not how it goes. So you move to your 15 minutes. The moment you saw this one that enter your POI, to be sincere, you won't be expecting this. You won't be expecting it to go lower than it. So the moment you saw it here on the line, so you are expecting the market to go up. So just go to your 15 minutes and wait for the market there in 15 minutes. Okay, this is here. This is the candle here. So the moment the candle goes down, I'm not expecting it to go down like this. So I'm just expecting it to go to enter my lines, then I can be a buyer. So from here now you will now wait. You can't just be a buyer like that. You will now wait. Now you already see a break of market structure. Then the next thing you are waiting for is change of character. So change of character occurs. Change of character is the reverse of a break of market structure. When you see a break of market structure up, maybe you are in a uptrend, and you see a break of market structure up, then the moment the market goes down again, it changed the character, it changed the moves, it break another low, another higher low. So which means that there's a change of character there. So now we see a break of market structure. So I'm waiting for my change of character to be inside this market. So the moment market goes up, now you see that this going down doesn't make any sense to us. It doesn't affect me, it doesn't affect my strategies. So I'm just waiting. When the market goes up and goes down, fine. The market already created what? It has already created another what? Another low here. So which means that the low that the market goes up and creates, it creates an high and it creates a low. So this low here did not take out this low here. I hope you understand what I'm saying, talking about. Now I can assume in my memory that okay, this market now is creating another uptrend because the market is already in my POI, my 4 hours POI, so which I'm expecting it on my 4 hours to go up. I hope you understand. Please don't get me wrong, always try, the strategy starts from your 4 hours. You have to check your 4 hours very well. You have to know that you have a POI, your point of interest, on 4 hours first. So now I know that this market wants to go up. So from here now, when I see the market goes up and it comes back down, it doesn't take this low here. So now what I'm expecting is that the moment the market goes up, yeah, this is where it is. The moment the market goes up, you can see it here. Now I can now call this a change of character. So you can see it here. So now this here is a change of character here. So which means that the market is pulling up to go. The market is pulling itself up to go up. That the algorithm will change the character. Like they wanted to go up now, they are not going down to this low again. The market must not come down to this low again until you achieve what you are looking for. The market must not come down to this low. Now this low will be our stop loss. The moment it goes up, this low will be the stop loss. This one is no more taking low down again. It's now market also be taking up. So I enter this trade at the right time, and so from here now, okay, so this one now, this is another block here, the red candlestick here that was created for the market to go up. So now just put it here. This is the 15-minute order block here. Just put it here, and when the market comes down inside this back, it will be what will be a buyer. So just put the entry price on top, and you put your stop loss below this low here, and that will be 9.8. so you can just put this low here, so it will be 1.1. The reward risk ratio will be 1/5. So which means that if you risk $1, you'll be gaining $5 just on these strategies. So I hope you can see. Though I aim higher than this in my strategies, when I want to drop my signal on the group, I don't. This is not what I aim. I aim for 1 and 10. So which means that if I'm losing $1, I'll be gaining $10. So this is here. When the market goes up and takes out this high, so I'm expecting the market to do what? To come down to this other block here. So what the market did now, when the market open in the morning, this is the morning, you can see 8 o'clock, the market comes down inside the other block here. So market comes down inside the other block here, and now you can now put your stop loss to this one. I did not want to see the market under here anymore, so this is another block here. So boom, what happens? Everything goes, yeah. So that does it. So, and you can just check into your sharks, and if you're having problem seeing it, you can just DM me and I will reply you instantly. So just bear with me. This is the strategies I'm using, and if you want to join my signal group, you can. I will drop the link. Just join. It is free, and I drop a lot of this thing. I'll show it here. I'll show it. So let me just get into it, and you can just see. Okay, now I hope you can see. This is the signal here. You can see where I drop it here. I was expecting the market to come down inside this 15-minute order block here. So, and it did come inside it. Yeah, hope you can see what I aim for.